to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dorleans, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love that for you and I love that for me. So today we're doing something a little different. I get lots of DMs asking, how do I edit my pictures, what app do I use, and all these, like, where do I take my pictures, how do I take my pictures. So I kind of want to do like a series of like how I take my IG pictures. And on that note, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so right now. The link will be in the description box, or you can just follow me at Dorleans. So as you see, the title of this video is how I edit my Instagram picture. So I'm gonna show you the apps that I use, how I edit my specific pictures for IG, and just my tips and tricks. And if you do like this video, don't forget to comment and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. All right, so we're gonna start right away. I'm actually going to screenshot, sorry, it's not screenshot, but I'm gonna screen record my phone to show you exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so today, actually this morning, I went out to take some Instagram picture. I just did one look just for this video, and I need to post something by tomorrow. So I'm like, why not do it for this video? Alright, so these are the step-by-steps that I do. So typically when I take my pictures, I go through my pictures, as you can see here, and I favorite the ones that I like. It's never all that many, to be honest, but I do favorite the ones that I like. And then once I'm done favoriting the ones I like, I do go into my favorite albums, and then I look at the pictures that I have favorite, and I kind of go through them again just to see which one I really don't like, which one I like. So these ones are no-go for me. No-go for me. So yeah, so keep this just to remember that we're not doing these ones. So I think I like this one, not this one, this one, maybe. I'll just remove it since I know exactly what I'm doing. I just wanted to quickly pause the video and just say the reason that my hand was where it was at is because I had a sweat stain on my dress. I'm so annoyed because that's never happened, but yeah, that's the only reason, guys. Why is it so hot? And then this guy asked me to take my pictures, and I was like, yeah. So these are pretty much the three that I'm going to pick to do my edits, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna look at my picture, and then I see that there's a little thing that I need to remove at the top. So I'm gonna go into my Retouch app. I'm gonna open my Retouch app, and then I'm going to zoom in to the hair part that I want to fix, and I'm gonna click on quick repair, and I'm just gonna touch it just like this, and then also do here as well. Perfect. And then that's that for this. So I'm going to export it. I'm gonna save as copy. And then I'm gonna go into my Facetune app. I'm gonna go into my Facetune app, take my picture, and now I'm just going to smooth out the legs. So I'm gonna smooth out the legs. Yummy. And I'm gonna smooth out the arms as well. And I just dab. I'm not even pressing hard on it. Like, I just want it to look as natural as possible. And I'm also gonna do my face. So I'm just gonna smooth out my face. Smooth out my face. Just a little bit. And then I have a pimple here, so I'm just gonna click on heal, and I'm just going to touch over it and remove it. Perfect. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna click on details. Details makes whatever you put over it like shiny in a sense. So I'm gonna do that over my lips. So Now I'm gonna click check mark it. I'm gonna go in paint and I'm just gonna darken my hair just a bit. So I'm just gonna darken my hair just because I like my hair to look darker in every picture. Okay. So I'm gonna darken my hair. Oops. Darken my hair. And I'm also gonna darken my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go slightly over it and just darken my eyeliner and darken underneath my eyes. Oops. You have to be very careful with this. And then just darken my eyebrows just a little bit. So now I'm gonna pinch it back just to see how it looks. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference. So this is the original and this is how it looks now. Alright, so I like it like that, to be honest. I don't do heavy modification on my face or anything like that. I like to still look natural, but I just do smooth out just a little bit just so it can look even better on pictures on Instagram. So I'm gonna save it. So this one I like. So I'm gonna open my Lightroom. And then I'm gonna go and grab that picture that I just did on Facetune. I like to click auto first because auto kind of gives you what they think the picture should look like, but I always modify after. So I'm just gonna show you the difference. So this is without auto and this is with auto. Sorry guys, I didn't even notice that my camera stopped recording, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover really quickly. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm putting down the saturation and I'm also gonna bring up the vibrancy of the picture just because I think I love when the color pops more into my pictures. And then also something I know, when you have like a neutral outfit or whatever, don't saturate too much your skin color or else it'll just look very weird, to be honest, so please don't. Anyways, and here for the exposure, I brought the exposure back up because I'm like, why is it down? I do put a bit of contrast. And as well at the shadow, I tend to like to see how it looks like with a lot of shadow and not so much. So basically I ended up darkening the picture just a little bit and then adding a little bit more white, bring down the shadow. As you guys can see, these are kind of the formula I use. Once I like what it looks like, I usually go into details and I sharpen the picture up until 7. So I'm just gonna sharpen it to 7. And I like what I see, so I'm gonna export it. And I'm gonna repeat these exact same steps for my 2 other pictures that I wanna post on Instagram. So it's very, honestly, in a sense, it's very basic what I do, but I like to do that for all my pictures because I want my pictures to all look the same and everything. So this is pretty much what I do, guys. I'm going to be posting right now all my before and after pictures, just so that you guys can see how they look before and how they look after. If you need tips, honestly, if you need tips on how to do your own Instagram pictures, whatever, honestly, shoot me a DM, leave a comment down below. I am so willing. Like, so many people ask me for tips and tricks, and I just love helping people and I love seeing people succeed. And then if I know something that can benefit somebody else, why not help them? So yeah, so definitely shoot me a comment or a DM if you need more help on how to edit your own pictures. I will be happy to help you. Hope you like this video. This is one of many videos in this series of Instagram that I will be posting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next Sunday for some more videos. Bye!